Everyone, so in today's video, I'll be showing you how to make speedrun Game Pass, a VIP Game Pass in Roblox Studio. So first of all, just click here in the game settings and then click into save. After that, you will find it here in the create option, create.roblox.com. Just you will see it here in the experience. Click on manage experience. After that, scroll to passes. And then if you don't have anyone, just create another one. Go back to Roblox Studio. Under it, just add script. After that, go back here, copy your pass ID, and then change it here. And this variable will be the speed of your player. You can add whatever you want, and then just play, and it will happen for you. Just follow the steps carefully. So that's all. If you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button for more tutorials.